In a quiet corner of the forest, two birds lived in a tall, old tree. They had been together for a long, long time. The male bird adored the female bird, so much that he often forgot himself just trying to keep her happy. He'd bring her the sweetest grains, sing the most beautiful songs, and make sure she never felt alone. But lately she was starting to doubt his love. She wasn't cruel, just insecure. She'd wonder, he's so kind to me. But what if his heart is elsewhere? Soon, small arguments began. I don't think you love me like you used to, she would say. And he would reply with tired eyes, why would I stay by your side every day if I didn't love you? One cold winter afternoon, the doubt in her heart exploded. I want to know the truth, she said sternly. Tomorrow, before sunrise, we'll both meet under this tree. Whoever gets here first truly loves the other more. The male bird paused, then smiled softly. All right, he said. If that's what will make you believe me, I agree. As evening fell, she flew to her nest to rest, determined to wake up early. But he stayed right there, quietly watching the sun disappear. He whispered to himself, what if I sleep and wake up late? What if she comes before me and thinks I didn't care? No, I'll stay here through the night. Then there will be no doubt left in her heart. The wind began to howl. It was the peak of winter, and the cold was cruel. But the bird didn't move. He curled his little body, trying to stay warm. His feathers trembled, and his eyes watered from the chill, but his heart stayed steady. All night, he thought of her. She see me here in the morning, he thought, and she finally know how much I love her. Meanwhile, the female bird couldn't sleep either. She kept checking the stars. I'll go early, she told herself. He'll see me waiting and realize how deeply I love him too. As soon as the sky turned a faint blue, she flew to the tree, her heart racing. She looked around. He wasn't there. Her wings slowed. He didn't come, she thought. Her heart sank for a moment, but then she sat on a branch, whispering, maybe he doesn't love me as much. Maybe I was right all along, but I still love you, even if he didn't come. Something didn't feel right. Minutes passed. The sunlight spread gently across the ground. Then, her eyes caught something below, near the base of the tree, hidden under a soft layer of snow. A small silent shape. She flew down. As she landed, her breath stopped. It was him. His body lay curled under the tree, feathers stiff, wings frozen. His eyes were closed forever. No, no, please, no. She rushed to him, trying to warm him with her wings, her tears falling like rain. He was gone. But as she sat there sobbing, she noticed something beside him. A tiny flower petal, the same one he had given her in the spring. And beside it, a single one of his feathers, tucked neatly against the petal. It wasn't written in words, but it said everything. I never left. I stayed here through the night, not to prove my love, but because I wanted you to never doubt it again. She held him close, crying, You fool. You stayed all night just to prove something I should have already known. I should have never tested your love. Her voice echoed in the cold air, filled with pain and a shattered heart. In love, we often search for loud gestures or grand proofs to feel secure, forgetting that true love is found in the quiet sacrifices, in the silent presence, in the warmth that never leaves. Sometimes we test the people who love us the most, not realizing that love isn't a competition to win, but a connection to protect. A heart that truly loves may not always explain itself. It just stays, endures, and gives. But if we keep questioning it, one day we may look back and find nothing but a memory where a soul once stayed. Trust before you doubt, hold on before you push away. Because sometimes, by the time we understand someone's silent love, it's already too late to hear it again.